In this video, we're going to take a look at how to leave a Discord server that you've joined in the past. We'll first walk through leaving a server on a mobile device like an iPhone or Android, and after that, we'll look at leaving a server using the desktop app. And using the app is the same if you're using a Mac or a Windows computer. Starting with the mobile device, open the Discord app. On the left, select the server that you want to leave. If it automatically expands the screen like this, tap the three lines on the top left to see the different channels and categories. Next, on the top right here, select the three dots to get to the server settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and you'll see Leave Server. Tap that and then confirm again on the next pop-up window. You'll then leave the server and it'll be gone from your list. Next, we'll take a look at where to find this when you're using the desktop app. Again, choose the server that you want to leave on the left side menu here. This time, instead of the three dots, select the drop-down arrow at the top next to the server name. At the bottom of the menu, choose Leave Server, and then when the pop-up window appears asking if you're sure if you want to leave the server, choose Leave Server again. You'll then be removed from the server and it'll no longer appear in your app. And that's how you leave a public Discord server that you've joined on mobile or on a computer.